Back in this video I will show you how you can insert left arrow in Word. So in the first method, Microsoft Word has a built-in feature that converts specific character into arrows automatically. For this you need to type less than symbol and two hyphens. It will turn automatically to the left arrow. Moreover, if you have a numeric keypad, then you need to hold down the Alt key and type 27 on the numeric side keypad and release the Alt key. Then you will see that arrow will appear. Moreover, there is another direct method, which is you can type the 2190 directly in your Word document and immediately press Alt X all together. The code will instantly transform into left arrow. Moreover, there is another way. You need to click on the insert and click on the equation, and equation editor box will be open up. In the symbols group you need to click on this arrow and select the basics math and find here, and here it is. You need to click it to insert it and click outside. In another method you need to press the Alt key and equal sign R together, and equation editor box will be open up, and put the backslash and type left arrow and hit the space bar. It will instantly convert to the left arrow. So with these 5 methods you can easily insert left arrow in Word document. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.